So yeah, hi guys, it's Pernille. I want to start with saying sorry for my English. I'm from Denmark and we're not experts in English, but I'm gonna do this the best I can. So yeah, a few days ago I wanted to learn how to play the guitar. It went okay. This guitar I'm holding is missing the A string, but it sounds okay, you know, it's not that great, but it's okay. Also, with my playing as a newbie, yeah, how good can it go? But I'm gonna try and I hope you like it. The song I'm gonna play and sing is Next to You by Chris Brown and Justin Bieber, but it's only the chorus, so yeah. One day when the sky is falling, I'll be standing right next to you, right next to you. Nothing will ever come between us. I'll be standing right next to you, right next to you. One day when the sky is falling, I'll be standing right next to you, right next to you. Nothing will ever come between us. I'll be standing right next to you, right next to you. 'Cause baby, everything that I have is yours. You will never go cold or hungry. I'll be there when you're insecure. Tell you that you're always lovely. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. And I hope you like it. I was doing my best, and I'm a newbie as much as you can be, because I only played like I learned it for 5 days ago. So I'm proud of myself and I hope you like it. Bye.